Alright, what's good everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Moody.
It's your girl Naveen.
And look, you already know from the title and the thumbnail, we're going to grab these Cherry 11s. There were a lot of pairs of these, and if you didn't get yours today, it's because you really didn't want them like that, or you waited till last minute. But we got quite a few pairs we need to go pick up, so we're going to go ahead and do that. And we got some other stuff planned, and we're going to take y'all along with us. So let's go ahead and grab them. Let's go. So we had to grab gas real quick. We about to head. Made a little small mishap. So the whole time we had a pair at the Willowbrook JD right by the crib, and we didn't realize it until we got there. He's looking. He's like, I don't see that name. And then she checked, and it ended up being in Willowbrook. So
and they know us at the JD in Deerbrook. He was like, I know your name. I ain't seen it this time. I was like, yeah, I'm tripping. He was like, all right, I'll see you at the next release.
Yeah, because you know we're regulars there. You know, JD's
know us.
They're the plug. So you know they plug us in. We know, so they already know us by name. So yeah, we just gonna run there, grab that last pair, take a look at it. We got a few things we gonna get prepped and planned for. We gonna take y'all along with us. Y'all already done see the Cherries 11s. They done came out. Y'all like so many times. Like they was stealing them off trucks. You could have bought a stolen pair. Had exclusive access on sneakers. They had what else did they do? They had something else. But you had like, if you didn't get this shoe, maybe you need to subscribe to the channel so you can figure out how to, you know, do what to do to get retail pairs on the regular. Because you had really all month. Like you can't be that person waiting till the day of walking around from store to store
or seeing if anybody got extra pairs.
Ever since the pandemic, the stores are doing raffles. Like you're not just gonna go to the store and then pick them up anymore. Like sometimes that's the case depending on the shoe if it's not as hype. But with Christmas Jordans, they're going to sell. People are going to wait last minute, and they're going to like, you know, they're going to sell out. So.
And this was like, you know, Christmas Jordans, they retail for so much. We didn't even, like, if you didn't reach out and like pre-order a pair, we didn't even go for sneakers or anything. It was just literally like, you pre-ordered, you got them, that's it. Cause
I had one person that wanted a 12 and a half, so that's the only size I went to on sneakers, but I didn't get that, so that's what it is.
We go for Christmas Jordans, but we both wasn't feeling the cherries.
The cherries. We got breads.
We got so many shoes.
Yeah, it wasn't a necessity, so we was just like, we're just gonna have to pass up on it. But yeah, we on the road. We on the way to Willowbrook now. Let's get there, grab these pairs, and then let's get right to it, y'all. Let's go. So we back. You already know we basically did our runs today. You know, picked up all the pre-orders that we did, which they got a crazy steal on them because I'm not really too pressed about this release. Wasn't really nothing that I really wanted to keep for a personal, so I was trying to just make sure I looked out for those around me that needed a pair. So we did that, and now we finally back at home, the part that you probably all been waiting for. I mean, you've already seen it a million times, probably got a pair yourself right now, but you're still watching, which I appreciate. But here they are, Cherry 11s. Did you grab them today? Did you pass? Y'all let me know in the comment section. But while I have them, we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna take a look at these. So shiny patent leather all around the shoe from the toe to the back. Red Jumpman, white 23 on the back. Icy sole, you already know. Nice, crispy and clean. Red pies on the bottom. Red and black carbon fiber there. White midsole, red inner lining. Mesh upper, as you can see there. You can tell it's mesh. This is probably gonna be it for 2022. Jordan wise, I don't know if, I mean, we do got the, do they have, I think it's Cherry 9s, something 9s dropping this upcoming week. Y'all let me know if y'all grabbing those. I'm probably gonna pass on those too. Don't really see no use to grabbing them, but you know, Cherry 11s is what everybody and their mama wanted today. Like I said, if you wanted these, you could have got them. They've been floating around for plenty of time, all month long. There's been pairs that's been stolen. There's been pairs that's been given out early access. Stores been backdooring them. If you don't have these now, then you're probably gonna have to pay the premium because the prices have been pretty low for the most part. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, so today we ended up getting 3 men's pairs and then 2 grade school pairs. And then I want to say 2 more men's pairs are on the way online. All sold, by the way. So like I said, we were trying to look out for people, but 7Ys came in this box. You've kind of seen these from Jordan 12s before in the past. That's what the tag's gonna read. But grade school, not too bad. I mean, we probably seen this time and time again, probably seen better pairs in the past, but it's the Christmas Jordan they're gonna sell. If you haven't bought any shoes all year and you normally don't know about shoes, you're gonna buy the Christmas 11s. Like, if anybody that knows anything about Jordans, the only shoe they know is gonna be the Christmas Jordan that comes out right before Christmas. So if you passed on these, probably should have grabbed them. You probably could have made a little something, a little 20-30 ball, get you some lunch. Outside of that, we still got some more stuff we got to do. If y'all want to stick around, y'all can, but we about to go ahead and run and grab some more stuff. We about to get a bonfire going. If y'all want to watch that, y'all can. If not, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. But yeah, let's go ahead and get there, grab this stuff, and then let's go. All right, y'all, so we did a quick wardrobe change. Nothing too crazy, but we at Target right now because we are going to, we about to do, what is this?
A bonfire.
A bonfire, you know, have s'mores, you know, chill, relax, all that good stuff. So we're gonna take y'all with us. But yeah, we got some of the essentials here. You know, graham crackers, Hershey's, you know, marshmallows, cups, all the essentials. So yeah. Go. Had to get the fire started. Oof. Yeah. Yes, sir.
I just feel like we can do this for a minute now. Keep going. Right.
That's my man.
As y'all can see, it's still dark outside, but I got that call and a couple pairs about to be gone. So we about to meet up, drop these pairs off. But that is the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. As the year closes out, I will probably have a lot more of videos that haven't been getting around to, just because, you know, sneakers is gonna kind of slow down a little bit. It's not gonna be that many drops. So I have a whole lot of vlogs that I'll be uploading. So if you're interested in seeing those, it's gonna be a whole lot of vacation vlogs where we went out the country. You know, nice fun, you know, birthday vlogs, stuff that I did not get around to, that I had hours and hours of footage of that I just haven't edited. So I'm gonna start to get around to that stuff, and I'm gonna go ahead and start getting those videos out before the year ends. It's just so we can start 2023 off with a fresh start, you know, fresh set of content. That way I can have all of that out of the way and not in the back of my mind. So appreciate y'all for watching, like I said. And as always, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, y'all. I'm gone.